Hello, welcome to another Product Manager Minute. My name is Lucas Nuss, WAGO's product specialist for tools, marking, and software. In past videos, I have emphasized that our marking system can help save time during the marking process. Well, it's true, and today I would like to introduce to you another time saver, the cutter. The cutter is an add-on accessory that eliminates the guesswork on where to cut your marking strips when printing. When designing your labels in SmartScript, simply add cut marks in the software and let the printer do the rest. The cutter is highly accurate and will provide a clean, square cut every time. Installation of this tool is simple. All you need to do is pop off the panel in the front of the printer, then plug it in and place the cutter into the grooves. Next, feed the material through and close the printer. After that, turn the power on and you're ready to go. The cutter is approved to cut most of our marking media, such as continuous strips, wire markers, type plate labels, and more. Help to further streamline your marking process with an accessory like this. Just another WAGO solution that can help save time and money in the panel shop. For more information on the full marking solution from WAGO, visit www.wago.com/us/discover marking or click the link in the text. Thanks for watching.